Adobe Express has a tool to create shorts and reels from a long video using AI, similar to what you can do with Pictory or Clap that I showed on this channel before. The tool is called Clip Maker. From the homepage, click View More on the first row of tools, then choose Video. In the list, find the Clip Maker. Now you need to upload a video. It should be less than 1 gigabyte and up to 1 hour long. Click Browse and select the video you want to upload. You can ask it to generate captions, or just close that option if you don't need it. Then click Generate Clips. Based on the length of the video, it will generate a few clips for you, and it may take some time depending on the video length. You can close the clip maker, and it will continue working on your video. After a while, you can check it again by clicking on Your Stuff in the menu. There you will see the project from Clipmaker. You can also enter Clipmaker again from the menu. You can't work on 2 videos at once, so it will go back to where you were. After it finishes, you'll see a new page in a pop-up. On the left side, you have the clips. In the middle, you see the monitor to watch the clips. On the right side, you have some settings. Starting with the left side, when you click on each clip, you can see the title and description it gave for that clip. Then you can watch the clip in the middle. The monitor shows the clip that is selected on the left, so you can check if it's a good clip to download or edit. You can see at the top that you can change the order of the clips. You can sort them by quality rating, duration, or chronologically. The default is quality rating, and you'll see that the videos at the top get a top clip label. That means the AI thinks those are the best clips you can get from the video. When you click the trash icon, you get a notice that this tool is deleting the clip and you won't be able to use it in the future. On the right side, you see the text it generated for the captions. You can't change it too much, but you can fix spelling or grammar mistakes if needed. Just watch the video and see if anything needs to be fixed. Under that, you have the same tools as in the caption tool I showed in a different video. Here you can switch between different styles, and it will change the captions shown on the screen. Like the other caption tool, here you can also change the colors of the style you chose, but that's basically all you can change. When you click on the color, you get suggested colors from Adobe Express. You can also choose a color by hex code if you click the right tab in the color pop-up. At the top, there's a color picker you can use to copy a color from anywhere on your computer. If you use a video with people in it, you'll see the person fully on the screen. But if you use just screenshots, the screen will show in the middle and be very small, making it hard to see what you're doing. This tool works best for people-based short videos. Under the colors and styles for the captions, you have the option to download. It will download all the clips you see on the left side as a zip file. It might take some time to download because it's a big project. If you click to close the Clipmaker pop-up, you get a notice that you can still change this video in the future by finding it in the Your Stuff tab, so everything you create with this tool is not going to waste. If you want to continue editing, you can click Open in Editor, and you'll be taken to the Adobe Express editor. You'll get a few pages based on the number of clips you got from the Clipmaker. To edit one of them, stand on the clip you want to edit, then click Edit Timeline. Here, you can change the position of the video so it fits the screen and move it around. You can add anything you like or cut out any part of the clip. You can also see the other parts of the original video when you expand the video from the sides. So if you want to get something from another part of the video into this clip, you can do that by expanding to the point you want to add to the clip. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.